F-Wheel Factory was founded in 2014 and has dedicated a decade to research, design, and production in the e-bike field. With a dual-drive approach involving a German design team and a Chinese supply chain, the company focuses on meeting the commuting needs of European and American customers. We have developed multiple e-bike product lines, including foldable, urban, mountain, and fat tire e-bikes. F-Wheel holds over 100 global patents and is an industry leader in custom development, with cumulative sales exceeding 1 million units. F-Wheel Factory in China is located in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, covering an area of 19,800 square meters. It is dedicated to manufacturing e-bikes and their parts and components. It is ISO 9001 certified, and it has the capacity of producing over 600,000 e-bikes per year. F-Wheel benefits from global supply chain advantages and achieves an annual production capacity of 1 million units. Our stable quality and cost-effectiveness make them a long-term premium supplier to retailers like Costco, Sam's Club, Best Buy, etc. F-Wheel's Brand Operating Center, DYU, was established in The Hague, Netherlands. It was founded in 2016 and is a high-end e-bike brand created through collaboration between F-Wheel Group and DYU Netherlands, BV. With a focus on fashion and high-quality products, DYU leverages F-Wheel Group's strong development capabilities and supply chain production advantages.